I got y'all. See, let me tell y'all something. Y'all probably looking at me right now saying, what is wrong with this guy? I'm teaching y'all how to build that voice. And when y'all hear a singer sing and y'all be like, oh man, he sound good. Yeah, y'all hear the ending product, but y'all ain't never heard how he get the sound good. And would you ever expect would expect that would exercise the vocal cords and to help that singer become a great singer? Exercises like that? I know it sounds weird to you, but try it and continue your journey to become a great singer. Keep doing it. Exercise the vocal cords. Exercise the nasal cavities. Build a resonance. I'm going to keep stressing to y'all, resonance. And the reason why I'm recording this video right now, because I'm showing y'all don't have no excuse to become a great singer. Because as I ride down this road right now, driving in my car, I'm training my voice and exercising my voice. It's a simple process. Train your voice, exercise your voice. Don't expect an overnight success. It takes time. Trust the process. The notes don't always got to be perfect. You're going to get there one day. But it's a process to get there. And I'm just giving you the process to get there. And I'm still working towards to become a great singer. But the thing is, I understand the process to get there. So my thing is, I want to let y'all know the process so y'all could get there also. And hopefully I could motivate someone to understand that they could take a little bit of time out their day and just sing. Take 20 minutes out your time a day, hum. Test different vocal ranges. Build your momentum up. And over time, if you trust the process, you will see that you're getting better and better. Trust the process.